Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. My name is Science Sophie and today I am going to discuss a very important topic from the mathematical method section. The topic name is tangent plane and the level surface. Before we proceed further into this video, let me just tell you, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now without further ado, let's just start our discussion. So what I'm going to talk about, the level surface and the tangent plane. So let's say we have phi of x, y, z equals to c. This is the level surface. So let's say this is the surface which is phi. Okay, now you want to find a tangent plane. Let's say this point is P. So what will be the tangent plane? The tangent plane will look like this. So if you draw a tangent like this, so this will be your tangent plane. If I consider something like 2D structure, so this surface will be the tangent plane. Okay. Now as you know, if this phi is a level surface, then what will be the perpendicular at any point of that surface? So perpendicular will be given by grad of phi. Now unit vector in this direction will be grad of phi divided by modulus of grad of phi. Now if you want to find out the equation of this tangent plane, what you can do, you can take a point here, let's say, and let's say the coordinate of this point P is small x, small y and small g, and we are considering another point on this tangent plane. Let's say that point is this. Let's say this is R, which is situated at capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Now if you join these 2 points, means the line RP or PR, whatever you say, let's say we are calling it PR, this line will be on the plane of the tangent plane, It means this line PR is making an angle of 90 degree to this grad phi. So if we write the vector PR, what you can write? We can write x minus x I cap plus capital Y minus small y j cap plus capital Z minus small z k cap. Fine. Now if this PR is perpendicular to this line, we are naming it, let's say, PS. If PR is perpendicular to PS, what you can write? This PR dot grad phi or PS. Okay, we are writing grad phi anyway. So if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0, cos 90. So this should be 0. And what is grad phi? Grad phi is nothing but del x of I cap del y phi j cap del z phi k cap. This is it. So if you do this, what do you get? You would get del x of phi into this. So you will get x minus small x del phi upon del x plus y minus small y del phi upon del y plus z minus small z del phi upon del z. This is equals to 0 because this dot product must be 0. Okay, and this defines the equation of the plane. So this is the equation of this tangent plane. So in this way we can easily find out the tangent plane equation of a level surface. Now let's solve a problem, then it will be more clear to you. Problem came in CSIR in December 2011. Let me read the problem for you. The equation of the plane that is tangent to the surface xyz is equals to 8 at the point 1, 2, 4. So what you are given in this question? Okay, let me do it for you. Let's just erase this one so that we get more clear space. So here we are given the equation of the surface It is xyz is equals to 8, and you have to find out the equation of the plane that is tangent to the surface at the point 1 to 4. Let's say this point is 1 to 4. So any plane going through this will be like this. Okay, this is the plane. So you have to find out the equation of this plane. So what you're gonna do? Similarly, you're gonna take a point at this point. Let's say this is P, this is R has the coordinate x, y, z. Okay, and similarly at this point, this will be the gradient of phi, which is perpendicular, and you can utilize. First of all, we need to find out this equation of PR. What is the equation of PR? PR, this is equals to x minus 1 I cap plus y minus 2 j cap plus z minus 4 k cap. This is the equation of this PR line. Now we have to find out this grad phi at this point. Okay, so what is phi? Phi is this. So grad phi, what is grad phi? First of all, find out grad phi. Grad phi is del x of phi. So this is basically, it will give you yz I cap plus xz j cap plus xy k cap. This is the value of the grad phi. Now what is the value of the grad phi at the point 1, 2, 4? What will be the value? So if you put x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 4, what do you get? Yz means 8i cap plus xz 1 into 4 j cap xy 2 k cap. So you got the equation of this vector at this point, and you got the equation of PR. So as we know, these two things are perpendicular to each other, so we can equate the dot product of these two things to 0. So PR, I am writing here, PR dot grad phi at the point 1 to 4, this should be equals to 0. And what does it give you? It gives you 8 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 2 plus, what is this? xy, it is 2 into z minus 4, this is equals to 0. So let's simplify it more so that it can be matched with one of the options given in the question. So you see, this is 8x minus 8 plus 4y minus 8 plus 2z minus 8. This is equals to 0. So what do you get? 8x plus 4y plus 2z minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 24 minus plus 24. So what you can take? We can take 4 common, 2x plus y. Sorry, we cannot take 4 common, rather we should take 2 common. 4x plus 2y plus z is equals to 12. So we are getting this equation, 4x plus 2y plus z is equals to 12. So which is matching with option B. So option B is the correct option for this question. So I think you have now understood how to calculate the tangent plane of some level surface, and this type of problem is quite important for your upcoming CSIR NET exam. And guys, before we end the video, let me just tell you, if you are preparing for CSIR NET physical science exam, you can join me on Unacademy. You can utilize our referral code PhysicsHub. If you are taking Unacademy Plus subscription, Unacademy will then give you 10% off on overall fees. Currently, a detailed course on quantum mechanics is going on, and a detailed course on classical mechanics is going to come in the month of September, and a lot of new courses and batch courses are already going on Unacademy. You just need to take only a single subscription to attend all of these courses on Unacademy learning app. So take the subscription and join me in preparing the CSIR NET physical science exam. See you in the next video. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.